unbox our Tenda router, that is AC-1200 smart dual bandwidth router, model AC5. As you can see, this looks pretty awesome. Let's find out what we are going to get inside the box. And as you can see, this router is perfect for gaming, ultra high definition streaming, and as well as gigabyte Wi-Fi, super smooth internet experience. As you can see, everything is mentioned on the box. Let's open it. What we are going to get? Whoa, this looks pretty cool, and we are getting the quick installation guide with this, and it's a quite lot of information how we are going to install it, and let's see what about the router. It has 4 antennas. There's a lights over there. This Wi-Fi 1, 2, 3, 1, and we have one adapter port, and 4 port, and there is a Wi-Fi reset button and Wi-Fi on and off. Well, it's quite realistic, quite nice, and we get a Ethernet cable with this and an adapter. That's all we got in the box of Tenda AC-1200 router, smart dual band Wi-Fi router. And let's see how it will work. And box shows that it is good for gaming and ultra high definition streaming experience, and it has a large coverage without dead zones, and smart management via Tenda app. Well, looks quite promising. We'll check it and we'll let you know in our next video how it works and how the performance of the router.